Hi guys, welcome back. Maths Methods kids, this is just a slightly different equation, slightly more complex, but not really. The difference between this one and the one we did before is that we actually have equals 11, and we need to deal, with this before we actually deal with anything else. So what we're going to do to move that 11 to the other side of the equation, we're just going to take 11 and take 11 on this side. So we get x squared plus 6x take 11 equals, and of course, what's left on this side but 0. So it's back to the format that we did before. So all we've got to do now is take this and put it into the equation. So remembering that the middle term is always b, this last one here is c, and this one over here is, of course, a. So a in this case is 1, b in this case is positive 6. Remember, we take the sign in front of the number, and so that makes c negative 11. We need to remember to carry this sign across, or otherwise we're going to get an incorrect answer. Is that right, Legs?
Yeah.
Well done. So here's a formula over here. So it's going to be minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared. Again, take 4 times 1 times negative 11. Okay, we'll just include that square root over 2 lots of 1. So looking at this, we're going to get minus 6 minus the square root of, 36. So minus 4 times 1 is minus 4. Times that by minus 11 becomes positive 44. And I don't need that squared there, so we'll just get rid of it. Over 2, or it's going to be minus 6. We've done the minus, so we need to do the plus. Root 36 plus 44 over 2. Okay, so 36 plus 44 is, that's your turn to answer it out there, but in here we're going to say that it's 80. Over 2, or negative 6 plus the square root of 80 over 2. So, once again, we bring our calculator in.
Do you have to do both?
You have to do both, yeah,
Okay.
because remember, you're going to, for any quadratic, you're going to get 2 solutions. So remember when we factorise, we always have 2 in the brackets? Yeah, we're going to get 2 solutions. So, minus 6 minus the square root of 80 is equal to that, and then I'm going to divide it by 2. Okay, so just be careful how you put it into the calculator, because if you don't do it that way, then you're going to divide first before you've actually done the top line. So we go again, this one's going to be minus 6 plus the square root of 80, and then divide that by 2, so that is going to give us or 1.47. And that's how you do it if it's set up in a different way. Really, the hard part in this question was the linear algebra at the start, okay, and changing it back into the equation where all 3 values are on one side of the equal sign. Right, how much fun's Maths Methods just by yourself, Logan?
Absolutely great.
Are you missing them at all?
No, not really.
I'm not either.
No.
Yeah, well, hope you enjoyed the video, because we enjoyed making it. Bye.